Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class. Children, in the last class, what did you all learn? Do you all remember? Yes, we learned about foods that give us energy, and we also learned which are the foods that give us energy. Can you name a few, children? Yes, cereals like wheat, rice, maize, oats, and also we learnt about the sweet items like sugar and honey, and fats like milk, butter, ghee, etc. Okay, so those were energy giving foods, and I had also given you activity to do. Did you all do that activity, children? Activity 1 at home. Those who did not do, please do it. I will revise once again that activity 1. So now, do you all remember the second group of the food items? First group was energy giving foods. Do you all remember the second group, children? Yes, the second group. Today we are going to learn about the second group of the food, and that is foods that help us to grow. This is the second group. Foods that help us to grow. We need food to grow, no, children? Yes. See, the small baby who is born is very small. Mother feeds him with the milk. Slowly the baby grows into a boy, small child who will crawl. Then again he will start eating food little by little, and again he will start growing into a boy. Slowly he starts growing into a big young boy. Okay, so like that, food is very important for us to grow. Do you all like to grow tall, children? Yes. So if you all want to grow tall, you were very small in your KG class, no? Then in UKG you grew a bit. Then in first class you have grown a little taller. Then now in second class you are taller than what you were in first class. Why? Because of the food that you are eating. So food is very important for us to grow. Not only we, even plants need food to grow, animals need food to grow, all living things need food to grow. So in the food items, here we have some foods that are helpful for us to grow. Okay, foods that are rich in proteins, they help us to grow. And there are some foods that we are going to learn today which are helping us to grow. For example, foods like pulses. What are pulses? All dals. Your mummy will be preparing dals now at home. Okay, in the sambar, in the rasam and all, she will be preparing all those things with the dals, isn't it? So at home, mummy will be making dals, right? And then peas. Okay, peas are also very they have protein in them and they help us to grow. Then beans, you have kidney beans, rajma. Okay, so beans are also very important for us to grow. Then there are some food items which are non-vegetarian. What are non-vegetarian, children? Do you all know? Can you name a few? Yes. Non-vegetarian foods are like fish, meat, mutton. Okay, meat is at mutton, fish, meat. Then what else you have? Eggs. Okay, you have eggs, chicken. Okay, so these are non-vegetarian foods that help us to grow. Now let us see one by one how these things are and how they are helping us to grow. So children, all pulses, dals help us to grow. Grams like green gram, red gram, chana dal, rajma. Okay, these all help us to grow. So what do you see here, children? Yes, these are peas. Peas are also helpful for us to grow. So children, what do you see in this glass? Yes, it is milk. Do you all drink milk? Yes, children should drink milk every day because it is very rich in protein and it helps us to grow. And even you have to eat a lot of cheese, children. That is also very good for your growth. Now, the non-vegetarian foods that help us to grow are eggs, chicken, meat, that is mutton, and fish. So children, you have learnt about the different food items that help you all to grow. So take all these food items regularly in your daily diet to grow tall and healthy. Now we will be doing activity 2. Last time we had done activity 1. So in your EVS reader on page number 13 we will be doing activity 2. Please follow what I am showing. So children, in the last activity 1 I had asked you to write 4 food items that are prepared from rice. Did you all do that work? Just see, I have written here plain rice, the first one. Second, biryani. These are all made from rice. Idli is made from rice. Idli. Dosa. Dosa also is made from rice. So, these are the 4 names. You can also write some other names. Today, we will be doing activity 2 on page 13. Activity 2. Find out the names of any 4 pulses that are cooked in your house. Write their colors also. Take the help of an elder in the family. Circle the pulse that is your favorite. So, I have written here a few names. You can write some other names also. Take the help of your mummy or any elderly person from your family. First one, this is name of the pulse and these are the colors. First one, green gram. The color is green. So, I have written here green. Second one, red gram. The color is red. So, red I wrote here. Third is chana. Your Kabuli chana, your mother makes chole, no? So, that is chana. Chana is white. Fourth one, rajma. Rajma is reddish brown in color. So, these are the names of the pulses and the colors. Now children, in your EVS classwork book, last time we had completed question 3 and answer 3. So, you can leave one line or if you are going to the next page, go to the next page. Question 4. Write the names of 3 foods that help us to grow. Question mark. Next line. Answer 4. Milk, comma, grams and eggs. Full stop. So please write this question 4 and answer 4 one time in your EVS classwork book, children, and learn the same question answer and write it 2 times in your EVS rough notebook. That is all for today. Have a nice day.